So this coat isn't like the last one. Remember before how we were trying to fill everything?
Yeah.
We're not trying to do that. We're just trying to get some paint on there. 2 light coats, 1 solid coat. That means 2 of the coats, it doesn't matter if it's actually all gold or not. The last coat of the 3 is when you want it to be all gold. Actually everything filled in. So like when you do this coat, it's gonna be like
Fresh.
it's just gonna be